In today's video, we are going to be making kids play makeup using Dollar Tree palettes. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to take these. I got these at Dollar Tree. This one was 2 for $1, which is a really good deal. So you can just take like your older makeup that you're almost done with and do this, but I don't have any, so I bought some. So this one comes with a little brush. So I will be putting the brush aside so that I can use it later. So I'm going to try to pop these little tins out. It's probably going to be messy. So just taking a white paper so that it's not super messy. So I'm just popping it out. So just find a corner and start popping it out. That was much easier than I thought it was going to be. Wow. And this is how it looks once you took that out. Don't mind the singing child in the background. So we're going to do that to all of them. And I wish I could save these. If you had like a metal palette, like you know those magnet palettes, you can just save these as well. Well, this one's not savable, but this one is. And then the glue right here. Okay, so I took out the little glue at the bottom. That one's all done. Okay, I'm gonna do the same with this one. You just gotta find an area where there's space for you to enter your weeding tool. You really don't have to worry about the glue underneath too much, because you're going to be putting glue there anyways. But I am just cleaning on the outer parts. I'm gonna make a new project, and these are all basic shapes. So we have 2 squares for the smaller LA color shadow. So I'm thinking I'm going to cut it to 0.25. So 1.25, and then if it's not that size, I can just trim it down. Because it's a square, it's going to be super easy to just trim down. So we're going to do 1.25 for those. So we're going to make 2 of those, so we're going to duplicate it. And then for the LA colors with the 3 circles, we're going to make a circle. Okay, these are, we'll do 1.07, and we'll duplicate that 3 times. And okay, so we're going to get our material. Okay, so this is the material that we're going to be using. I have these canvas material that you use for bowls. So I have this pretty color. So I'm debating between this one for the bronzer or this faux leather. And then for this trio right here, I'm thinking of doing this pink one. This pink right here, this white, and this kind of like purpley pinkish color. And then for the single ones like this, I was going to do this bronzy color. And then this other one. We'll take our strong grip matte, which is the purple matte. I'm going to do this one for the bronzer, but I'm going to put it in a different one because this is thicker. So it's going to have to cut differently than these thinner ones. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to trim this piece right here. Okay. Man, if y'all don't have this Dollar Tree rotary blade, so much better than my expensive one. I love it. I'm going to trim it a little bit more. So I'm going to put it right there. Yo! I think I might have accidentally just cut a perfect one for this. So I might just cut this one by myself. Because, let's make them work. Right. Because I just accidentally, okay, I accidentally just cut this one perfectly. So I don't think I'm going to need my Cricut. I'm just going to cut the slightest bit on this side. Okay, so this one I don't need to cut with my Cricut. I already cut it by hand. You saw how easy that was? Okay, so I'm going to tape these. So when I normally tape things on my Cricut mats, I use painter's tape. I've had this roll for the longest time, and so it's not like you have to buy some painter's tape all the time. So my Cricut cut that really fast. I used the canvas setting on Cricut Design Space, and it cut them super fast, and I used the rotary blade, so cut them pretty good. There's those two. Okay, so everything that I did fits good inside. So now we're just going to take our heat gun and we're going to hot glue. Oh crap, I broke this. Oh man. So I'm going to take the brown one. And I'm just going to You can also add some crazy glue too if you want it to be like extra secure. Take it, move it around, press, 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 press. So now we have our bronzer, and then they can just go like that. Okay, so we have our bronzer. So you can take some crazy glue. You can also get this at Dollar Tree. So you can put a mixture. Ooh, you can put a mixture of, if you want it to be like more secure, you can put that, and then you can just dab some crazy glue on it. Oh, no, don't stick to my table. Oh, crap. And then just stick it in there. But honestly, I think the hot glue, what's also nice about putting the hot glue so thick, like a big layer of it, is that it gives it more volume a little bit, so it's not completely flat. I absolutely love how the makeup turned out. It is so cute. And I used acetone. Hold on, mommy. I used acetone to take out the brand's name on it. Make sure that it is just regular acetone and not 100% pure acetone, because it will actually eat at the plastic and mess it up. So that is the tip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My daughter has loved playing with them. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join my YouTube family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.